Scythe 460T versus Dranser Spiral 380T. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Bird versus Kai. Yeah, both these Beyblades have the power of fire on their sides, with Scythe basically being, a scythe with fire. Well, I guess a skull with fire. And then you have Dranser being like the immortal phoenix that will just never die. So, let's just see who wins. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Both Beyblades are flying through the air. Okay, that was interesting. I still think Dranser is just a little bit too high up for it to really do anything. Either way, Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, the Immortal Phoenix fights back. Dranser wins that round with the overfinish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Okay. They're both slowing down. Scythe has a lot more weight than Dranser, so yeah, they'll probably get knocked around a lot. That was close. I don't know who won. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Whoa! Despite the weight whoa! Okay. I was gonna say, despite the weight difference, it seems like Dranser is still really strong. Scythe wins that round with the overfinish. Well, I mean, extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Dranser was flying through the air a little bit. Okay. Seems like Dranser might have this one. And Dranser wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Dranser's hopping. Okay. Extreme dash. If you want to know why I always launch Scythe first, well, it's because of the weight difference, and also because Scythe has so much stamina, it really just beats it every time, in terms of Dranser. Yeah, Scythe wins again with a spin finish. Okay, big collisions. Yeah, it's a little bit too light. Yeah, it's too light. And it always tips over because it's too tall. Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, I have to count that as an extreme finish, so there you go. Dranser wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Go shoot! Whoa! Okay, now they're just racing each other. Will the Immortal Phoenix still win? And it doesn't. 3, 2, 1. I forgot Scythe won the last. I was gonna say Scythe won the last one, but this time Dranser hit so hard. Wow. Dranser wins that round with the overfinish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Whoa! I don't know who won that, but wow, that was crazy. Yeah, if someone goes to the tournament and has Dranser, just be careful. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Oh, I didn't expect that. Okay. Dranser wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I can't tell if I did that or Dranser did that. If I did that, then I'm sorry, but if I didn't, then Scythe won. And the tilt launch is to make sure that Scythe still has stamina, because I don't want it to just extreme dash immediately. And Scythe wins with a spin finish. Go shoot. Okay. Whoa. Ricochet. Okay. Scythe wins that round with a extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh wow. Scythe has just been missing all these extreme dashes. Okay. Now it's coming down to the wire. And Scythe goes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2. Wait, what? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa, that was like an upper attack. Yeah, I think Dranser already used all of his stamina, so it's just trying to conserve stamina somehow. Come on. I really hope Dranser can win, but no, it's too tall. And Dranser wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Okay, so Dranser wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Whoa! These hits are on a whole nother level. I'm glad I opened up the Beyblade and actually battled with it, because most people wouldn't have done that. And Scythe wins with a spin finish. By the way, I was talking about most people wouldn't have opened up the Dranser and battled with it because of the paint. So yeah, go shoot. I mean, that was a late launch, but still. Okay, still. I don't know if I want to count that because it was so late, but Dranser wins if I do count it. Go. Shoot. What? How? What? I'm glad I caught that on camera, because if I told someone, they would never believe that ever happened. Dranser wins with a burst finish, somehow. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, I think Dranser's doing really good compared to what I thought it would do. And Dranser wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Dranser just doesn't give up. It really is like a phoenix. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Bay wheels. Okay, they're now tipping over. If that was a burst finish, I would have screamed, because that was really close to a burst finish. And Scythe wins with a spin finish. Okay, so that battle was really crazy. I have no idea who won, but overall, yeah, just It's a really amazing battle. So, if you'd like to support this channel, feel free to go to the link in the description. It leads to a site called Model Toys, and whenever you buy anything through the link, you'll actually support my channel in the process. And I also have discount codes to help you save money. They are the Legendary R, and on Model Toys it's 85% off, and on Bays & Bricks it's 87% off. Thank you for your support. And if you want to support me in a non-financial way, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All those things help a lot. And I appreciate you doing all those things. And the more things you do, they actually help me more. So, do those things if you want to. Like, if you just want to say how crazy this battle was, then I don't blame you, because this battle's really crazy. But yeah, all that stuff actually helps a lot, so thank you. Now, I'll announce the winner. Your winner is Scythe 460T. Yeah, I've been saying T instead of taper, sorry. But either way, Scythe won. I'm really surprised that won, but then again, it's the Beyblade that has the more weight advantage, and then outside the stamina advantage, so yeah, it makes sense. It also just held on a lot during all those attacks too. It's really strong. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.